To make a Bank of America account, start by gathering the necessary documents, including a valid government-issued ID, Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number, and proof of address. Next, decide which type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account. You can apply online, by phone, or in person at a Bank of America branch. If applying online, go to the Bank of America website and click on the Open an Account button. Select the type of account you want to open and fill out the application form with your personal and financial information. You will need to fund your account with an initial deposit, which can be done using a debit card, credit card, or transfer from another bank account. If applying by phone, call the Bank of America customer service number and follow the prompts to apply for an account. If applying in person, visit a Bank of America branch and speak with a banking representative. They will guide you through the application process and help you complete the necessary paperwork. Once your account is open, you will receive a debit card and checks. If applicable, you can also set up online banking and mobile banking to manage your account and pay bills. It is essential to review the account terms and conditions, including fees and interest rates, to ensure you understand how your account works. Additionally, consider setting up account alerts and notifications to stay on top of your account activity and prevent overdrafts. By following these steps, you can easily make a Bank of America account and start managing your finances effectively. Remember to always keep your account information secure and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent fraud and unauthorized transactions.